Okay, so all you're doing is sliding this little metal strip and you're stretching it once you get behind it, and then it pops right off. It's going to be the same thing up here. Can you get that for me? Hold that. Just comes right off.
That's
And we get the new one. The new ones literally just click right on.
Oh,
So,
man.
Let's
Clean that, yeah.
It's pretty dirty. You got the camera on it still?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's a 2014 Chevy Camaro. This is how you change your trunk struts. Now this pretty much goes for anything that's just doing the same thing like this. Alright, so you see it's just, you got it focused.
Yeah.
Can you focus the camera?
Yeah, that's
I'll do
what I'm
it.
doing it.
And then just clips right in. So, got it?
Mm-hmm.
It
Wow.
just locks right in. Same thing on this one. Boom.
Ooh.
All right,
That's
then we do the
nice.
same
Fancy.
thing. Yeah, you can see it's all nice and new.
Yeah.
We'll do the same thing on this side.
And those are supposed to handle more pressure than these?
Yeah. So we're just popping that out. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
So it just pops out and then it slides right off. Same thing with this one. Come on. There we go. So it's all really simple. I'll just clean these edges off. Now hopefully this takes away from the trunk slamming all the time.
Yeah, we're about to find out.
And it would be the same thing with the hood. So if you get the hood one, it'll just do the same thing. So this just clips right on. And this, boom. All right, let's take these off.
Ooh, I could already feel the difference. Oh, look at that.
Go ahead.
No more slamming.
It doesn't slam shut every day.
All right.
Got your
let's
keys?
open it. Yeah.
All right. Opens a lot easier too. All right.
Fucking great.
2014 Chevy Camaro. It's the trunk struts replacement.